Today we have an Orient in our hands. Which one of the Orients you would say? It's the Bambino version 7. Yes, everyone has been talking about it and we also want to get one. So I really like the Orient Bambino version 7, specifically this champagne dial. I'm a sucker for cream dials, and as soon as I caught a $14 discount on it, I just jumped ahead. So this dial is just amazing. It's a dress watch. It's a 38mm dial size, and I would say this looks absolutely stunning. The leather that comes with this one is in brown, but it's a cowhide leather, but it's on a bit of a steeper side of things. So I changed it to some aftermarket ones that I will showcase to you very soon. It comes with the in-house movement of caliber 5672. It's automatic winding. Let's get rid of these tags and try to put it on my hand. It's absolutely brand new, as you can see. I'm unboxing it right in front of you. The camera angle might look a bit weird because I'm shooting this one from top down, but as soon as I get it on my wrist, it just looks amazing. It's under the indoor lighting. I have white and cream spotlights, but I think it's most justified when I take it outside. So this is like around 3 or 4:30. Oh, I think this is 3:30, as you can see on the watch. And now you can actually see the accented handles. It's a bit in the darker ends of blue, and it really shines through once you have adequate amount of light, and which is why this aftermarket strap that I ordered from AliExpress really works. I tried to dress it down a bit because I was having a very casual day. I was wearing jeans, and I got some of the shots from my mobile phone, and maybe I'll showcase that to you right now. Here you can see from a distance. I know it's lower quality because I shot it from my phone. I was just wearing a casual jeans and just wanted to showcase how it looks from far when you have the nylon strap that I ordered, as I was saying. Now back into the indoor. So now we have a blue cowhide leather. This one is a much softer than the original brown one that comes with it. I think this will work okay because the handles are blue. I think it can work casually and also on the dresser end of things. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the shot. I don't think you can go wrong with this watch, or the Orient Bambino, into your collection. They released 3 or 4 more colors, I think, but I'm a sucker for the cream dial and absolutely love this one. And I would like to do more of this kind of reviews into my channel, and it would be great if you would like, share and subscribe. By profession, I'm doing a lot of things, especially I'm a software engineer, and I like doing men's fashion, and also I think I'll go for more watch reviews soon. So stay in the loop, and your support will be amazing encouragement to do more of this. Peace.